So literally, like,
say hello to my little friend.
We have the right in Washington to open.
What's up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you again from an undisclosed location. The business what I'm doing right now, Amazon FBA allows me a whole bunch of time freedom, so I'm out here right now shooting with some of my buddies. Stay tuned for this video. We're gonna throw some drone footage in here, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's the AK. That's the AK. Hope you guys enjoyed some of that footage, a little something different for the channel, but you know, I like to live life on the edge, guys, so I'm gonna bring you some more cool content when I'm out doing the things I like to do. Probably throwing some skateboard videos here now and then, but I hope you guys all having a great weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.